Guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm sorry because I'm posting late again. I just don't have a feel for time. I mean, it's late in my country. I don't know what time is it in your, but I was watching Naruto. I didn't even realize it's late. So I didn't really plan off this video. I just wanna make it. I know I may make a lot of excuses, but at least they're the same every time. So let's play. Don't press the button. I don't have a better idea. I'm just stupid. And if I stop like in the middle of the I'm recording this because right now I'm drinking juice and eating popcorn. That's why. So okay, this is like nothing. I'm just going to. Yeah, you just run. So you know how don't press the button works? You literally have to press it. It's a good or bad. Like, why does it stand for so long? Let's do this. I'm just making a circle. Wow, he likes cheating. There's a pro baller. Everything. What? I'm not going to ask. Oh my god. What? Look. Watch out for the mommy. Wow. What is happening? Wow. Oh god, this is a really bad one. I hate this one. Why can't we gotta go fast now? Like, I found one. I found two actually. Just going to light the first one and light the second one. Can you light more than one? I can still light. Okay, like that. Okay, I have two for now. So let's continue. I can't find any fireworks. Bro. He just spawned in front of me. And another. Why can't I shoot two at once? I mean the same two times. No. Yes. Let's go. Press. Okay. Oh my god, I realize why. I don't really know what's happening right now. I'm still alive. I may not be alive. Okay. Like, noise. Knowledge. Wow. What is the point with this? It should be a sound after knowledge. Wow, no. Like, no. Whoa. Why am I the only one small? I will press the button first. Press banana. Banana na. Banana na 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 na. Banana na 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 banana. Banana. Banana na. Banana na 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 na. Banana na 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 na. What? I can't. Bro, what the? Bro, this is not fair. He's cheating. And he said, I like cheating. I'm cheating. Stop standing on the button. I can. Okay. 1 candy, 2 candy. But where? I don't understand. Chocolate. Oh, candy just appears. I didn't even realize. My donut. Quack you. Where's all the candy? Give me a candy. 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 I have 1. I have 2. That is the third candy. I have 2 still. Where's candy? Stop taking candy. Bro, how did she... What? Where's the bridge? I don't understand. What happened? Well, I'm not going to ask. Banana. Bro, he took all. What am I supposed to do now? Oh my goodness. Shit. No. How is this fair? Some of them just took every. Can I? Why? Why can't I? Banana. Banana na. Banana na 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 na. Banana na 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 banana na na. This guy can just fly over. Like a mom. Bro. It's really annoying. Banana. Banana. Banana na 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 na. Banana na 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 na. Well, thank you. Why do that when you can do this? Wow. Vacation. You just spawn back. I'm the one who's going to press the button, you bit. Yeah, I'm going to press the button. I'm spamming the button. Banana. Banana, na. Banana, na, 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 na. Banana, na, 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 na. I want to sit here. Bit. Oh my gosh. Why? What the hell did that guy? What? Hacker. Oh my god. Cheater. Bro. Look what he's doing. He just one-shots every ball. How is that fair? Bro, stop it. I'm doing the different server, like, this isn't fair at all. No. No. We have 4 minutes left. We're just going to end the video. I don't have any idea. So guys, that's it for today's video. I know it's a bit short, but hope you enjoyed. And bye.